Hi there, have you ever turned the key and wondered if your car battery is about to give up? Welcome back to Best Product. Today we are looking at the best car battery tester that helps you understand your battery's health before it leaves you stranded. Let's get started. Meet the TopDon BT200 car battery tester. This compact and practical tool is designed to give you clear and accurate information about your car battery in just a few simple steps. TopDon built the BT200 to work for both everyday drivers and professionals who want reliable battery diagnostics without complicated equipment. One of the biggest advantages of the TopDon BT200 is its wide compatibility. It supports batteries rated from 100 to 2000 cca and capacities from 30 Ah to 220 Ah. That means it can handle most automotive batteries on the market. Whether you are checking a small passenger vehicle or a larger battery system, this tester has the range to support it. You do not need multiple tools for different cars. The BT200 is designed to evaluate overall battery health and performance. After connecting the clamps to your battery, the device guides you to select the correct battery system and rating. Once selected, it performs a precise analysis based on that information. This tailored testing helps detect low charge levels, reduced performance, and signs of possible failure. Instead of guessing, you get clear data that helps you decide whether to recharge or replace the battery. Another helpful feature is its clear battery system standard description and measuring range display. The screen walks you through the process step by step. You are not left confused about what to press next. This makes the TopDon BT200 easy to use even if you are not a car expert. The interface is straightforward and user-friendly, so you can complete a test quickly and confidently. The real benefit here is prevention. By checking your battery regularly with the TopDon BT200 car battery tester, you can spot problems early. A weak battery often shows warning signs before it completely fails. With this tester, you can identify those signs and take action before your vehicle refuses to start. The design is compact and easy to store, so it does not take up much space in your garage or car. It feels solid and durable, built for repeated use. Even though it offers advanced diagnostic capability, it keeps everything simple and accessible. Overall, the TopDon BT200 car battery tester combines broad compatibility, accurate testing, guided operation, and a user-friendly interface. TopDon has created a tool that bridges the gap between complex battery analysis and everyday convenience. It gives you peace of mind and helps keep your vehicle reliable. Do not wait for a dead battery surprise. Check the price link in the description and stay prepared. And make sure to like and subscribe to Best Product for more smart tools and helpful gear. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.